If you are a Windows or Mac user and you open FreeCAD 1.0 for the first time, you might be surprised that you are only offered light theme or dark theme and not the classic violet theme that FreeCAD used to have previously. I will show you how to enable this classic theme if you like it. So in the welcome screen, I will accept whichever I like, it doesn't matter. And then I will go to Edit, Preferences, and in Preferences in the General section, I will go to Application part, Theme, and here you have the option to choose from light, dark, or the classic one. So I will select classic, hit OK, and the theme will be reset to the classic one that you are used to. At first you will see remains of the new theme like rounded corners or this icon, but if you restart your FreeCAD, you will have your classic theme that you are used to. I hope this was helpful and I will see you in the next one.